Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kalayo syndon da kyrdan A grade naka National Assessment and Accreditation Council halor rukom treikam barka jinglah ban lamkhmat napdeng skulbah shimet ki rukom jinghikai ki jingwad bñiah ke sawdong sawkun barka blala ru ban pynmih ki samla ki bapau na katei skulbah kabladan kumba pras nami ai menta hakiling Baridua. Ke Standing Committee jong ke NAAC kabla long hakalai terik kalapun benaru bakane kanne hadu sansnem hakabaki record ke NAAC kabadai ke nong bishar ki college bar ki skulbah hakari kala shong ru ke jialang bar vice chancellor ki clear jo kitanat pule bapher ki dean bar ki wegi ki record jo ke skulbah bala pelong ru ke jingle jingo e baro kitanat pule bar ki jaka treikam jo ke skulbah hakabla yoru banyakran bar ki nyikai ki samla pule bar ki nong trei baro nalor ke jingpej bñiah ki rukom treikam hakathup jong katei skulbah haba pinpau ke jingkemen baka jingso sarong halor ka khusnam baka skulbah kalayo umahabubul hok chancellor ke USTM ula pinpau ke jingso ngui ke sarkar Meghalaya na doki officer joktanat puli puthi ki blai ke jingkasha na kapor.
I am very grateful to the state of Meghalaya because this university has been established here with the cooperation and especially the people of the locality who are always encouraging and supporting us, giving their all kinds of support, moral support, and till date there is no complaint from the local people. I am very grateful to the district administration, River district, and the people, and especially the entire team of government of Meghalaya. And I am very grateful to the officers of the state of Meghalaya, the education officers and other departments. They always, with lots of compromise, they extend all kind of support to these institutions. And therefore our university is growing up nicely.
Kani kala pulong ki record ke NAAC ban IJRO rui ke rukom treikam ke USTM kabadei ru ka sen beningkong hakathan chete lamingi baga skulbah shimet kan pau bar yo ekate ka kyrdan ka belong ru ke jingsarong ke skulbah bro ko wei badi ki samla puli.
My message to the students of Meghalaya and parents of Meghalaya that now we have a good institution in your state, so you need not spend unnecessarily money sending your children outside the state. So please come forward, help us, support us so that we can create a global destination here so that tomorrow we can feel proud that Meghalaya University, that University of Science and Technology Meghalaya is situated in the state of Meghalaya and the global community is staying here, studying here, making their career and then spreading in the whole world.